Today I wanted to share with you my new pizza oven. Now I've had it for about a month and I've used it just a little bit. I am not a pizza expert. This is a smoker expert. So I have to learn a little bit about making pizza. But what we have here is a simple pellet run pizza oven. The really nice thing about pellets is the flavor that you get. You get a great smoky wood flavor into your pizza. Now, of course, there is a little bit of maintenance involved, so you have to make sure that you keep the stone clean and get all the ashes and everything out. But once you learn how to manage your temperature and keep it clean, this thing performs great. Now, I still haven't got the perfect pizza crust down, so when I want a really good pizza for everybody, I actually buy take and bake. But what we really have here is a great little pizza oven. First thing, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to take a look here. This is where you load it back here. And it's burning along and it's not quite ready for some more. There's still some unburned pellets in there, and I like to just add a little bit as I go. If you add too much, you can get the temperature too hot. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside here. And if you look back in there, you can see the fire coming up and there's a little bit of smoke here. We're not up to temperature yet because I just lit it before I started the camera. Now you have the hot air coming out of the chimney here. And remember, I have a perfectly sized canopy and everything, but at home, I would not use it in a canopy if I were you, because this can put out a lot of really hot air straight up. And I am prepared. Fire extinguisher right there, by the way, always. But I've already used it here many times, so I know exactly what to expect out of it. Use it out in an open area and you'll be fine. On the back here, we have a tray where the pellets actually sit into with an input vent. So the air comes in there, goes through the pellets, and then the hot air runs through the oven and straight up. The main goal is that you want to make sure that the oven is preheated enough that the stone is up to about 450 degrees, so you can toss your pizza on there and get a good cook. You're looking for about 2 minutes. Now, watch it because it can burn fast, but it needs to be hot enough so that way the bottom crisps up really quick so you can get your pizza peel in there. It does come with a pizza peel, and you can see me demoing it here, taking the pizza in and then later on taking it out. Also, if you put it at a slight angle, you can just give the pizza just a little bit of a spin, which is really cool because you don't even have to totally pull it out, especially if one side's cooked more than the other. Now remember, you do have to manage this temperature manually, so I recommend that when you start not to overfill the pellets and kind of get a feel for it. Once you do, this will be a great little pizza oven. I have used this thing for cooking things like French bread. So I'll put it in there and just put some garlic butter on there and boom, boom, and it is hot and ready to eat in a matter of a minute. Also, cheesy bread would be a really good thing to make in here. Just get yourself some pizza dough, make yourself a square piece of bread, and then put some cheese and butter on it, and boom. In a matter of a minute, you'll have a great cheesy bread. Don't make it too thick because you want it to cook all the way through. Let me go ahead and check this again. I think we should be getting really close on the output here. Oh yeah, we are. And I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit here. For the pizza oven to work correctly, you do have to keep this door closed. Let's go ahead and take one more look in here. Also, I would recommend that you get yourself a stone cleaning brush, and that's just a wire brush. It also comes with a wire hook to push the pellets around so that way you can adjust them during cooking. But I've actually been using a small little metal spatula. It's currently in the dishwasher. Oops, forgot that. But a small metal spoon will also work as long as it's long and skinny. Something like maybe an ice cream float spoon or something. So check out this pizza, and once you get a little bit of practice, I think you'll be able to make something a lot better than this. Again, I'm still new to the pizza game. let's go ahead and do a brisket next time. But if you're looking for a budget-friendly pizza oven that has great taste and performs good, this might be the answer for you. The YITAHOME Pizza Oven. Check it out.